if there's eventually, if people keep on taking care of the earth and gardening, then maybe the earth will have less pollution.
We're in the Forest Park Garden, and it's been a wonderful place for students to come and connect with other students, and it creates a space of community. And we've added in picnic tables and umbrellas this past year. So we've had a lot of classes come in and do a lot of learning within the garden, and the kids love coming in at lunch and recess and snacking on all the different items we have, like lettuce and peas and strawberries. It's just been a wonderful space that we've opened up in the last couple of years with some grant money that we've had available. Well, just this morning we had my class in here doing some garden tasks. We had students doing some reading, we had students on Chromebooks doing some passion project work, we had students doing some drawing and coloring. I've had classes come in and do nature drawings. Another class was in earlier doing a science experiment for like solar energy, solar heat. We've had another class doing monarch butterfly releases. So we've had lots of different classes in enjoying the garden. Varieties of lettuce, and we also have some peas that are ready. So these are the peas. Okay, so you can try the peas. And then, does anybody want to try the nasturtium?
I want these.
Yeah, Grace, you want to try it? So you can eat the flower, and you can eat the leaf as well. And it's a little bit peppery and spicy. John, the lettuce, yeah. Okay, give it a go. Did everybody find it?
Oh my god, are those bugs? Probably. What is it?
So these are fine. These are like a normal garden pest. So these are aphids, and they usually really like tomatoes. And we found them on our faba beans already this morning.
Pretty good out in nature. It's like looking around. It looks pretty cool because we don't have. I've never seen like some plants in person, so it's like an experience.
Because like without gardens you can't like produce food for people and enough food to die.
Because the bugs like the flowers.
Because you can grow stuff and keeps you busy. Like if you have like flowers for like the bees, I guess. Yeah. And for like your own food. To help with the environment.